today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize an icon in your design. Let's walk through the process together in a simple and practical way. Icons are a great way to make your design easier to understand at a glance. They can help highlight features, support contact sections, or simply make your layout feel more polished and visually balanced. To get started, click the plus button to add a new element to your design. This is where you'll find different content options you can place onto the page. From there, choose the icon element. Once you add it, the icon will appear in your layout and you'll also see its settings available in the sidebar. Next, go to the sidebar and click the icon box. This opens the icon selection library where you can choose the specific symbol you want to use. This library is especially helpful because it gives you access to a wide range of icons for different purposes, so you can match the visual style to the message you're trying to communicate. Take a moment to browse through the available options or use the search feature if you already know what you need. For example, you might choose a check mark to represent features, confirmation, or benefits. A phone icon works well for contact-related content. The key is to pick an icon that is clear, recognizable, and relevant to the section where it will appear. After selecting your icon, you can fine-tune its appearance using the settings in the sidebar. Adjust the icon size so it fits comfortably within your design. If it's too small, it may go unnoticed, and if it's too large, it can distract from the surrounding content. You'll also want to set the icon color so it matches your overall branding or complements the rest of the layout. Keeping the color consistent with your design can make everything feel more cohesive and professional. If you want the icon to be interactive, you can also make it clickable. To do that, set a URL action just as you would for an image or a button. This is useful if you want the icon to lead to another page, open a contact link, or direct viewers to more information. Just make sure the destination matches the purpose of the icon so the experience feels intuitive. And that's it. Once your icon is selected, styled, and optionally linked, it becomes a small but powerful design element that can improve both the look and function of your content.